Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have vegetable and fruit seeds from Navika Seeds. So this is what we got on Amazon, and it's premium. No doubt the quality is premium, and we are like 100% satisfied after using it. So we used it like 4 months ago, and we planted tomatoes and sweet corn and carrots. So not broccoli. So these are the little packets that you get, and there's like almost everything. So yes, here I'm trying to show you all the packets that were there before we planted them. And even if you want to see the end result, like I have a few pictures from what we got. So this was the baby corn, not the sweet corn, right? But the baby corn was like the size was really big, good enough for a sweet corn. And lettuce, yes, we planted lettuce as well. So it took time, but they were really good. And what else? I think yeah, so like within a few months, if you keep giving water regularly, it doesn't need much and it'll be ready for you to enjoy. And of course, if you have your own homegrown vegetables, it's like real fun. So this is a good brand, and if you're looking to buy seeds, you must go and buy from them. It's easily available on Amazon. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.